brought in some reinforcements. Reinforcement. Or I better do some more paint stripping. Really just doing the paint stripping because I've run out of sanding discs, so...
What do you need?
Oh, I think I've got one left.
Some more.
So as per usual, just giving the car a bit of a wipe down. Just to put the dust spot with it. Nothing too fancy. But yeah, I reckon with the doors, we might do a side each.
Yep. That should be almost done.
Just before we start putting the paint stripper on, scratching up the paint again. I think it helps. The paint stripper get under. Now when I'm having trouble, I think I've had this built with the paint stripper so many times. It seems to really fit. Oh!
I just scratched a fat bit of hair too.
Nice. Now I'm going a bit deeper than I did last time. Not sure if that's good. I'm scratching it too much, but just mixing it up a bit, you know. Yeah, so we've got the goo. Let's do some paint. Yeah, this back fender's getting close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't even see mine do anything.
Oh, I mean, as far as not that much paint left on it. This won't start doing anything for 10 or 15 minutes probably. But I'm always aware when I do the roof joint, keep the landing on the
Oh,
button.
rookie mistake.
So we've just put on the coat of paint stripper. Or splooshed it on there. Actually, I forgot to do that bit. That's all right. So yeah, one side panel, doors, roof. Sorry, I'll move the camera a bit quick there. I make it a bit seasick. Yeah, so panels. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to step away for 30 minutes. Set my timer, because I just keep doing it sporadically in terms of time, and I can't remember whether it's 10 minutes, 15. So I'm thinking if I'm a bit more organised, and then I can kind of know that half an hour is a good time to leave it, then maybe spush it around a bit, I don't know. See you in 30. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Exactly. Well, not exactly. I don't do anything exact. And yeah, we've got a bit of action here, haven't we? Yeah, there's a bit going on. What do you reckon, mate?
Looks good.
Your side particularly.
Because I slabbed it with some off.
Yeah, man, you went nuts on. That's great. Definitely more on this side.
You just gotta slab it on.
Just got to slap it on, he reckons. He's a natural paint stripper, this one. I reckon we, what do you reckon?
Where can we get?
Do we just get,
hung it off today.
do you think we zhoosh it around with a paintbrush, or do we just,
I reckon we just do it.
can you hear it sizzling at all?
No. I think it's gone.
Okay, this is either the impatience of youth, or he just knows more than I do. What do you reckon, folks? I reckon it's the former, but we'll go for the
I
latter.
think it's just the impatience.
Okay. I've set the camera up for his first stripping experience.
What is that?
Who knows, mate? Go for it! It's interesting when you can see all the different coats
Yeah.
as it starts coming off.
It's like there's a blue on it.
Yeah, it's some interesting colours there. Oh yeah, big chunks just came off.
Look at all this decay.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? All right, just a bit of a wrap up. Paint remover by me on this side. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, it was a pretty quick session. We basically got probably the paint remover on in 15, 20 minutes. This is my offsiders side. Don't tell him, but I think he actually got a bit more off than me. Yeah, so we just let the paint remover, paint stripper on for 30 minutes. A fair bit came off the roof too, and just got it off. Didn't worry about cleaning it up too much because we're going to probably try and do exactly the same thing tomorrow. That gets us towards the end of the week, and I'll stock up on some sanding pads and get stuck into the sander, and hopefully we can finish off the roof and maybe a few panels. See how we go. Loving it.